Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best NeverWet is probably one of the most innovative and intriguing products to hit the market in recent years, promising to revolutionize how we protect everyday items from water and stains. Imagine a spray that creates an invisible barrier, making surfaces repel liquids like magic. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality that NeverWet aims to deliver, and in this video, we're diving deep to see if it lives up to the hype and truly makes things never wet. Number 5. Crep Protect Shoe Protector Spray. Introducing the ultimate solution for safeguarding your footwear. This spray offers unparalleled protection against the elements, keeping your shoes looking pristine. Experience worry-free wear with advanced waterproof and stain-proof technology. It creates an invisible barrier, repelling liquids and preventing unsightly marks. Utilizing cutting-edge nanoprotection, it forms a durable shield on your shoes. This ensures long-lasting defense against rain and stains without altering the material's feel. Perfect for a wide range of materials, including sneakers, leather, nubuck, suede, and canvas. It's the go-to protector for all your favorite footwear. Maintain the fresh look of your sneakers and other shoes effortlessly. Simply spray and go, enjoying superior protection wherever you are. What we like? This spray offers advanced nano-level protection against rain and stains. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their sneakers, leather, nubuck, suede, and canvas items looking pristine. If you're looking for a versatile protector for all your footwear and accessories, this is the one to consider. What people say. NeverWet is a super hydrophobic coating that makes surfaces water and stain repellent. It creates a barrier that causes liquids to bead up and roll off, keeping surfaces dry. The spray application is easy to use and dries clear, leaving no residue. Number 4. Rust-Oleum NeverWet Boot and Shoe Water Repellent. Introducing Rust-Oleum NeverWet, the ultimate solution for protecting your boots and shoes. It repels water and guards against damage, keeping your footwear looking great. Our advanced formula is completely clear and silicone-free. This means it won't alter the look or feel of your favorite shoes, preserving their original texture. Applying this protection is incredibly simple. Just use the easy trigger spray for a quick, one-step application that gets the job done fast. This repellent is perfect for a wide range of materials. It works wonders on leather, suede, nubuck, canvas, and many other fabrics. Enjoy long-lasting protection against water. It effectively repels moisture, preventing potential damage and extending the life of your footwear. Coverage varies by fabric type, typically ranging from 20 to 60 square feet. You get reliable protection where you need it most. What we like? This offers a crystal clear, silicone-free formula that won't alter the look or feel of your items. It's incredibly easy to apply with a single trigger spray. If you're concerned about changing the texture or appearance of your materials, or if you need a quick and simple waterproofing solution for leather, suede, nubuck, and canvas, this is an excellent choice. What people say. NeverWet is a super hydrophobic coating that makes surfaces water and stain repellent. It creates an invisible barrier that repels water, mud, oil, and dirt. The spray is easy to apply and dries clear, leaving no residue. Number 3. NORTIV 8 Kids Water Shoes. Introducing the NORTIV 8 Kids Water Shoes, perfect for your little adventures. These shoes are designed for comfort and fun in and out of the water. They are incredibly lightweight, making them easy to wear all day long. Plus, they dry super fast, so wet feet are never an issue. Experience a barefoot feel with these athletic aqua sports shoes. They provide excellent comfort whether you're playing outdoors or by the water. These are ideal for a variety of outdoor activities this summer. From the beach to the park, they're ready for anything. Designed for both boys and girls, these water shoes offer a great fit for active kids. Let them explore with confidence and ease. Get them ready for summer fun with these essential water shoes. They're the perfect companion for all their warm weather adventures. What we like? These water shoes are designed to be lightweight and dry quickly, offering a barefoot feel for comfort. They are ideal for kids who love outdoor summer activities like playing at the beach or by the pool. If your children need comfortable, fast-drying footwear for water sports and summer adventures, these are a fantastic option. What people say. NeverWet is a super hydrophobic coating that makes surfaces water and stain repellent. It creates an invisible barrier that repels water, dirt, and oil. The spray can be applied to various surfaces like fabric, leather, plastic, and metal. Number 2. Rust-Oleum NeverWet Multi-Purpose Kit. Discover the revolutionary way to keep your surfaces dry. This advanced formula repels water, making moisture bead up and roll away effortlessly. It works on a wide variety of materials, including metal, wood, concrete, and vinyl. Protect virtually anything you need to keep dry. Our technically advanced, super hydrophobic formula creates an impenetrable barrier against water. Experience a truly waterproof surface. It dries to the touch in just 30 minutes, and fully cures in 12 hours for maximum protection. Enjoy dry surfaces for longer. This durable treatment is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It helps keep surfaces clean and dry, requiring reapplication only when needed. It dries to a flat, silver-gray finish, providing protection without altering the appearance significantly. Always test in an inconspicuous area first. What we like. This multi-purpose kit provides a super hydrophobic coating that repels moisture on a wide array of surfaces. It dries to a distinctive silver-gray finish, making it suitable for metal, wood, concrete, and more. If you're looking to protect various outdoor or indoor surfaces from water damage and want a durable, visible treatment, this is the product for you. What people say. NeverWet is a super hydrophobic coating that makes surfaces water and stain repellent. It creates a barrier that causes liquids to bead up and roll off, keeping surfaces dry. The spray is easy to apply and dries to a clear finish, making it suitable for various materials like fabric, leather, and metal. Number 1. JOYMOOP Flat Mop System with Bucket. Introducing a revolutionary flat mop and bucket set designed for a faster, more efficient floor cleaning routine. It streamlines washing and wringing, helping you tackle everyday messes with ease. Say goodbye to messy hands and difficult wringing. Simply insert the mop into the designated chamber and pull to achieve the perfect moisture level, making daily cleaning a breeze. Our innovative built-in scraper effectively removes stubborn hair and grime from the mop pad. It does the tough work for you, ensuring a thorough clean without extra effort. Clean high walls, windows, and under furniture without straining your back. The extended handle easily reaches those awkward spots, making comprehensive cleaning simple. Navigate effortlessly around furniture and into tight corners. Its 360-degree swivel head provides complete control, reaching areas ordinary mops can't. Perfect for any home, this mop and bucket set stores neatly within itself. Keep your cleaning supplies organized and your space clutter-free. Achieve a streak-free shine with our ultra-absorbent microfiber pads. The set includes 4 reusable pads that are durable and machine-washable for endless cleaning power. What we like. This all-in-one system features hands-free wringing and a built-in scraper for deep cleaning. Its extendable handle and 360-degree swivel head make reaching every corner effortless. If you're tired of messy wringing, back strain, or hard-to-reach spots while cleaning floors and walls, this mop system is designed to make your chores much easier. What people say. NeverWet is a super hydrophobic coating that makes surfaces water and stain repellent. It creates an invisible barrier that causes liquids to bead up and roll off, keeping surfaces dry. The coating is durable and can last for months with proper application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.